Yesterday morning at 7:30 a.m., Sarah stepped on the gas to merge onto the highway. Nothing happened for 3 full seconds. Then her Ford Focus lurched forward, so violently she thought someone had rear-ended her. The dealer just called. $7,800 for a new transmission. But Sarah does not know about a 30-second procedure that could have prevented this, or the hidden settlement covering her exact problem. In the next 9 minutes, you will discover 4 transmissions that can bankrupt you overnight, the exact warning signs happening in your driveway right now, and free reset procedures that work in most mild cases. Subscribe now and turn on notifications, because here you get automotive truth that protects your wallet. Comment your car model and year so we can help each other avoid these traps. Case 1, Nissan CVT shudder. Mike owns a 2015 Altima with 68,000 miles. Last Tuesday on Interstate 95, his car started shuddering violently between 40 and 60 miles per hour. The steering wheel vibrated. Acceleration felt jerky. The dealer said normal, or $7,900 for replacement. Here is what Mike did not know. Nissan CVT uses a steel belt between variable pulleys. When fluid degrades from heat, the belt slips, creating highway shudder. Nissan claims lifetime fluid, but in stop-and-go traffic temperatures hit 250 degrees and additives break down above 200 degrees. Warning signs appear in sequence. Mild shuddering at 40 to 60 miles per hour. High-pitched whining during acceleration. Hesitation when merging. Check engine light with ratio codes. The free fix works for mild cases with no burning smell. Warm up 15 minutes driving normally. Stop safely and park foot on brake. Shift to drive and accelerate gently to 2,500 RPM. Hold 10 seconds release. Repeat 5 times with 15-second brakes. Shift to low, accelerate to 3,000 RPM. Hold 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Return to drive and cruise 10 miles at varying speeds. This forces the computer to relearn belt pressure and often eliminates shudder completely. Nissan extended CVT warranties through class action settlements. Coverage varies by VIN, up to 84 months or 84,000 miles for many models. Check at Nissan Consumer Affairs with your VIN and maintenance records. Comment if you have Nissan CVT, shudder, and at what speed it happens. If this is saving you money, subscribe now and share with friends shopping for used cars. Case 2, Ford Powershift jerking. Jennifer bought a 2014 Focus with 42,000 miles. 6 months later, every red light became a nightmare. Starting from stops, her car jerked so violently, other drivers honked. The dealer diagnosed dual clutch wear, $7,400 not covered, because Ford calls clutch wear normal maintenance. Ford Powershift uses 2 dry clutches like manual transmissions. In traffic, these clutches slip continuously and overheat. Above 300 degrees, friction material glazes, creating violent jerking. Warning signs include shuddering only from complete stops, harsh 2 to 3 shifts, delays engaging drive or reverse, burning smell after acceleration, and grinding noises. The free relearn works for very mild cases. Warm up 15 minutes. Stop safely foot on brake. Shift to drive, accelerate smoothly to 2,000 RPM, hold 5 seconds release. Repeat 5 times with 10-second brakes. If you have sport mode, do 3 cycles to 2,500 RPM. Drive 10 miles with gentle acceleration so the computer relearns clutch points. Ford settled a $30 million class action. Extended coverage applies to 2011 through 2016 Focus and Fiesta, up to 7 years or 100,000 miles. Check your VIN at Ford.com or call Ford Customer Service. Comment if your Focus or Fiesta jerks from stops and share your mileage when it started. Case 3, Jeep ZF 9-speed hesitation. Tom bought a 2015 Cherokee Trailhawk. By 35,000 miles, merging became dangerous. Pressing the gas resulted in nothing for 2 to 3 seconds, followed by violent acceleration. On hills, the transmission hunted constantly between gears. The dealer said transmission replacement, $6,800. The ZF 9-speed has 9 gears trying to optimize fuel economy, but the computer becomes confused about which gear to use. This creates dangerous hesitation when merging and annoying gear hunting. Unfortunately, no free fix exists. The only solution is latest software update plus complete fluid service with genuine Mopar 8 and 9-speed fluid. Never use generic ATF. Expect $500 to $800 for both services. When test driving, use Jeep models, accelerate up hills at steady throttle, and listen for gear hunting. If it hunts, negotiate updates before buying or walk away. Case 4 Honda Accord V6 slipping. Linda maintained her 2005 Accord XL perfectly, with dealer service every 3,000 miles. At 74,000 miles, harsh 2 to 3 shifts appeared. Within 2 weeks, no third gear at all. Honda diagnosed complete failure, $5,400. The 5-speed automatic was undersized for the 3.0 V6 power. Third gear clutch packs burned from normal driving stress. Warning signs include harsh 2 to 3 shifts, slipping between gears, overheating warnings, grinding in third gear, and incorrect ratio codes. Early intervention might help if caught immediately. Change fluid using only genuine Honda ATF DW1, never generic fluids. If slipping continues past 1 month, only complete rebuild works. Honda issued technical bulletins acknowledging these problems. Check your VENG with Honda Customer Service and Reference Bulletin 05-031 for possible coverage. Comment if you own 2003 to 2007 Accord V6 and share repair costs and mileage when problems started. Summary: Nissan CVT shudders at highway speed. Try free relearn and check extended coverage. Ford Powershift jerks from stops with 30 million settlement available. Jeep 9-speed hesitates dangerously, requiring expensive software and fluid service. Honda Accord V6 slips with hidden bulletins providing limited coverage. Always try free procedures first. Use only specified fluids. Check VENG for coverage at manufacturer websites and NHTSA.gov. Document symptoms. Get second opinions before expensive repairs. Which transmission problems have you experienced? Share your story with model year, mileage, and repair costs to help other viewers. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and share with anyone buying used cars. Next week, one exposed 3 oil additives that damage engines despite auto parts store promotion. Hit subscribe now for content that protects your wallet from automotive disasters.